Hello guys, my name is Mercy Blaze and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Guys, because you're not in Africa or because you're not in Cameroon specifically, doesn't mean that you should miss out on your favorite meals. And if vegetable is one of your favorite, if you're a vegetable lover, I'm here to tell you that even if you can't get the exact leaves that you need wherever you are in the diaspora, I got you covered. Try spinach vegetable soup and thank me later. Trust me, you will love this. You can eat it with plantains, with rice, or even fufu. Let's go, guys. Let me show you how I made this. All you need is some spinach. As you can see here, I already have my sliced spinach that I washed. For protein, I'll be using some beef. Okay, you can use any protein that you have. For me, I always love my vegetable soup to have a lot of ingredients, as in condiments. This is, we call it in Cameroon towel, is intestines of a cow, right? So I'll also be using some snails, guys, just to top it up. You know, now you have to make sure that your vegetable soup is giving. I'll be using some dried fish, some kanda as we call it. This is cow skin, already washed and sliced. And of course, I'll be using some palm oil. And my favorite spice, as you all know, peppers. Oh, Jesus. I'll be using some peppers. This is going to make my vegetable soup look very colorful because I'm just going to crush it. Some Maggi cubes, crayfish, some onions, and of course, some salt. Hey, guys, let's cook together. Let's cook this delicious vegetable soup. We're going to start by preparing our proteins first, especially the ones that you see that are hard. So I think I'll boil the beef, the snails, because my snails and dried fish are really dry. Trust me, they came from Africa. You know how they are, how parents do it. So to boil these, I'm going to be just seasoning it with salt, Maggi cubes, and onions. I'll add in some water, cover my pot, and then I'll allow that to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes at most. And then I can add in the other meats. Hey guys, if when I'm cooking this, I'm thinking of Cameroon, as in, trust me, if you're not home but you still want to enjoy meals like you're back home in Africa or in Cameroon, you can always substitute. Okay, this is 15 minutes later. Look at that. To that, I'm going to add in my kanda, that is the cow skin, because I already boiled it, washed, and then I put in the fridge, so it's not too hard. And then I'll go in with my towel meat, that is, like I said earlier on, if you've never heard of it, it's one meat that comes from the internal parts of a cow. I'm going to allow this to boil for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead. Make sure that the water that is left to your pot at this point is not plenty, okay? If you don't want your vegetable soup too watery. So I'll add in my oil, my palm oil, and then I'll let this boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you boil the oil, okay? Else, you know, palm oil has its own unique taste. Else, after cooking, you're going to have this weird, I'm going to add in my crushed peppers, guys. I can't eat soup without pepper, no food without pepper. And I always crush the peppers because they give this extra look to my vegetable soup. You're going to see how it will look like at the end. Go in with some seasonings. I'm just going to use some Maggi cubes and some salt. I'm going to taste that to make sure that my vegetable soup will be vegetable at the end of my cooking. I'm going to make sure, just give that a good stir, and then cover and allow to boil for another 5 minutes. so that all your proteins and your oil and everything that you've added, your seasoning, get to know each other, so that when you add in your vegetables, no one will be a stranger to the other. At this point, go in with your vegetables, guys. Add the vegetables. Add it so that it gets to know his brothers and sisters in the pot. Add it, give that a stir, and make sure you're cooking at this point on low heat, okay? Or maybe on high, but you don't have to cook your vegetables for long. I'm adding in my crayfish right now. I'm going to give that a good stir, right? Guys, I'm already boiling rice, so I'm already boiling my rice. Guys, look at this. Hey, my vegetable soup is giving, as in, it's calling my name. I went in with more vegetables because I realized that I needed more. So just give that a good stir again and let it boil for another minute, for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then turn off your heat. Tell me, are you going to eat this with rice, with plantain, or with fufu? Today I'm eating it with rice, so I'll top it up with some avocados. Tomorrow I think I'll eat that with fufu, guys. So if you're not in Cameroon and you still want to eat fufu and jama or fufu and bitter, this is it, my Cameroonian brothers. This is it. Food is ready. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do before you leave. I love you and remain blessed.